Hola, hola, na.
Hey guys, it's Prissy here, and I'm back with a mukbang video. Today I'm going to be having salad with some salmon and some shrimps. So this is going to be delicioso. So I got my Caesar kit salad. Okay, I can't open it. So I'm going to put some lettuce on my plate. That's bomb. I got some tomatoes. I'll put a couple of these up here. Lots of salad. I got my little tomatoes on the side. How's everyone doing this weekend? I got my little croutons. There we go. I'll pour these up here. My cheese. You know, you want to make it good. See my little tomatoes right here. Got your then of course you want to put your little dressing. Lord, Father God, thank you for this food. I ask that you nurse in our body in Christ as Jesus say, amen. So yeah, what y'all been doing, y'all? Cause I just been chilling, working. I'll show you guys the salmon. I love a good salad, y'all. Salad, bomb. And do you have your little tomatoes? Mm-hmm. Got some shrimp. That's Ray Sean. He looking at me like I'm crazy. I wonder why he ain't here watching me like a creep. Mm. Mm. When your inner fat girl come out, and you just like, yes, girl, eat that. But yeah, today, and y'all hung out with Tori. That collab video. She's so sweet. A sweet girl. Tomorrow I might do some vlogging. We're supposed to go to the Asian Mart. That should be fun. What's wrong? Rashawn always bothering me, y'all. I just don't know. So I got my salmon up there with my little. Y'all can tell I'm enjoying this food and I'm hungry too. Yes. But how is your guys' weekend going so far? I feel like the weekends go by so fast, yo. Like, we get off work on Friday, be back at work before you know it. That's how it be. How many of y'all like salad? I mean, truly enjoy it. You can get you a good salad, girl. Put some eggs in there. Get you some daggone like some craisins. Banging. I really like Caesar salad. Maybe because of the Caesar dressing. I know a lot of people like to use the balsamic vinegar and the olive oil and lemon. I like that sometimes. Excuse me if it's getting a little messy. I don't like that skin. I'm gonna take that skin off. And I don't like that much dressing on my salad either. Some people be having like so much salad dressing. I want you guys to see it. Heartbreaker, you got the best of me. And these are the shrimp.